Kumalawi, nikutengela kunikutenga kumalawi. Let's go to Malawi. I'll take you to Malawi. Kumalawi, nikutengela kunikutenga kumalawi. Beautiful, the way that you're looking. Hey, I wanted to know if we've ever met before. You're so colorful, just like a rainbow. Hey, I know many people have told you this before, but on a second thought, are you an angel? Oh, hey. Sembaga, can I have a word with you? I got an offer for you, an offer you can't refuse, baby. I'll take you to a place that you've never been before. Let's go to Malawi. Let's go to Malawi. Let's go. I'll take you to Malawi. Tieko, Kumalawi. Tieko, Kumalawi. Tieko. Nikutengela Kumalawi. That look in your eyes, show man of Malawi. The way that your heart, the way it is for me, just like the rolling drums of Malawi. The tone of your skin reminds me of the beauty, the loving and beautiful people of Malawi. The tears of joy that flows from your eyes, just like the beautiful legs of Malawi. Let's go to Malawi. Let's go to Malawi. Let's go. I'll take you to Malawi. Tieko, Kumalawi. Tieko, Kumalawi. Tieko. Nikutengela Kumalawi. Let's go to Malawi. Let's go to Malawi. Let's go. I'll take you to Malawi. Tieko, Kumalawi. Tieko, Kumalawi. Tieko. Nikutengela Kumalawi.
Pack your bags and let us go. I got a place I've always wanted to take, yeah. Pick up all your sunny clothes, because the weather's getting hotter and hotter. Grab a visa, tell your girlfriends that you will see them after our vacation over. And if they ask us where we going, baby, tell them to the heart of Africa.